Hello everyone, Natalie here from Serpwizz. Welcome to our SEMRUSH series where we do review/tutorials of the SEMRUSH tools and features. So today we are going to talk about Backlink Gap, which is a feature under competitive research from the SEO category. So let's go ahead and click on this one. If you haven't seen the videos that we have been making about SEMRUSH as well as other SEO tools available in the market, then please you are very much welcome to visit our YouTube channel and see all of the different videos and reviews that we have been making, which aims to help you with your SEO task and improving your overall SEO performance. So here, let's go back to let's shine the spotlight onto the backlink gap feature, which you will have access to once you have an account with SEMRUSH. As for me, I'm still using the free trial account that we have set up on the second part or the second video of the SEMRUSH playlist. So if you haven't watched that, definitely check that out. So I'm using the free trial account to have an access to all of these tools and features under SEMRUSH. So here it's the backlink gap that we're doing today, and we use this tool to find prospects for domain or URL. So you only have to insert domains here as well as your domain right here, and then as well as the domains of your competitors, so you can find the prospects. But before we utilize the tool, let's first check or have an insight on how the tool works and what we can expect from it. So how it works, it compares domains, and like I've mentioned earlier, you only have to input your domain as well as your competitors so you can utilize the tool. And then it helps you find prospects with analyzing the website's backlink profiles. And also you get to receive domains to target. So let's see how this will play out once we utilize the tool. And let's not hold back. Let's use the tool and see for ourselves how it works. So I'm just gonna use Serpwizz and using a different SEMRUSH tool, which is organic research, and going to the competitors tab, we get to have a look on the competitors that we can utilize or input for this specific tool to work. So I'm just gonna use this one, and you can add this much. I'm gonna use the next one right here. So I'm just copying these domains. Let's use up all of the allowed domains this time, because previously on the other tool that we have, or I believe it's the keyword gap, we only use two competitor domains. So this one we're using 4 against Serpwizz, and then we hit click, or we hit the find prospects button. So here we go with the results of the domains that we have entered. You can see here the 4 domains that we have entered alongside Serpwizz. And then here, if we click this, let's see what happens if we click this one. So it's more of the visualization of when it comes to authority score, which is it allows you to track changes in the authority score of your and your competitors' domains over the last 12 months. So you can see the trends here changing monthly or on specific months, and the colors that are representing the different domains that we have entered. Here we also have referring domains, which is, and this chart allows you to track changes in the total number of referring domains pointing to your and your competitors. So this is just a way to see the results better instead of just numbers. So as you can see here, they're differing from the specific months that we hover our mouse over. And let's just expand that one, and here you can finally see the prospects that are for Serpwizz, and then you can just change this according to your preference or according to the one that you want to see. And here you get a list of the referring domains that SEMRUSH is suggesting. Here you also get, so this is monthly, the number of unique visits to an analyzed domain for the last month. And here are the other, or the comparison with the other domains as well. So you can either start outreach if you want to go ahead and do that, or you can export the results so you can have a better and more accessible access to it on your device instead of going to this page whenever you have to view it. So you can simply just export the results. And that's actually all about, or those are the things that you need to keep in mind when using the Backlink Gap tool. And it's very easy, just like the other previous tools that we have done. So what's great about SEMRUSH is that they make very simplistic tools that everyone can utilize and everyone can easily understand, so that it doesn't make it difficult for the users to utilize the tools that they develop. So that's it for our video today. Hopefully you found it useful, and that you will be tuning in to the next videos as well as we tackle along all of these tools and features that are under SEMRUSH. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you on the next one.